Your LG high-efficiency washing machine was intelligently built to keep your clothes clean and beautiful. To ensure proper dispensing and to minimize the chance of problems with your dispenser, it is recommended that you clean the dispenser once a month. Clean the dispenser more frequently if you notice large amounts of water remaining in the dispenser compartment, residue buildup around the edges, or odors from the dispenser area. To clean the dispenser drawer, pull out the dispenser drawer. For front-load washers, firmly press down on the disengage button and pull out the dispenser drawer. For top-load washers, lift up on the front of the drawer and pull out. Remove liquid cups and inserts from the dispenser drawer. When cleaning the dispenser drawer and its parts, use only water. Use a soft sponge or brush to aid in the cleaning process if needed. Clean and remove all residues from the drawer opening by using a small, non-metal brush or sponge. Make sure to properly replace the inserts and replace the dispenser drawer.